We shouldn't have to remind you that taking care of your brakes, wheel bearings, and tires is critical to enjoying a safe, hassle-free ride. But sometimes it's a hassle to minimize your hassles. Ever found yourself waiting for a buddy or neighbor to stop by and lend you a hand in hoisting up your motorcycle wheel and tire so you can work on aligning the axle with the slack adjusters, brakes, bushing, shims, and bearings? Or are you still using the old cement block and plank for a makeshift wheel jack? Blacksmith artist and welder Bobby Toad Cook's lifetime hobby has been riding and working on his Harley motorcycles. And one day, while wrestling with reattaching a wheel, Toad Cook decided he could invent a better way of doing things. So he did, and his unique concept and design is available to you today. With the original motorcycle wheel lift. A great new product that makes performing wheel maintenance on your bike easy as 1, 2, 3. The original motorcycle wheel lift works in conjunction with a motorcycle lift or jack, makes wheel removal easy, and allows for easier alignment of parts when reassembling. Your original motorcycle wheel lift ships with everything needed to quickly assemble and put the wheel lift to work. The wheel cradle is quickly put into position. And the wheel stabilizer adjusted and finger tightened to accommodate most any size wheel and tire. Wheel lift tie-down straps add an extra measure of safety. After your bike has been lifted, secured, and any accessories removed, the original motorcycle wheel lift makes maintenance a real breeze. The wheel balances in the cradle of the wheel lift for convenient cleaning or repairs on tires, brake, and bearings. The original motorcycle wheel lift works with most makes and models. It's perfect for commercial repair shops, home garages, at the races. Ruggedly built with a sturdy powder-coated and black oxide finish. Each part is carefully inspected during assembly and packaging to guarantee that you get a top-quality product. And its user-friendly design gives you fold-up convenience for storage. Eliminate the hassles. Get the original motorcycle wheel lift, those extra hands you need for the tough wheel jobs.